The real direction is Free Up the Face, Father 6/14 by Stacey Moody Dennis. Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and subscribe. So let's get into this direction in 3, 2, 1.
Hey you guys, happy Friday morning. I'm about to do a lot of cooking, so if you get bored watching cooking, feel free to scroll on past that part, but that's what I'm doing today.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna film it, and I haven't gotten ready for the day, so excuse the no makeup, but I mean, you guys know us well enough by now that I feel comfortable wearing no makeup in front of you. All right, come cook with me. Happy Friday. I am doing a little bit of cooking. I'm making some meals for the fridge for the boys to eat during the week, and I'm gonna also make ribs in the crock pot for dinner. Ribs. Spoiled. I'm gonna make a couple of burgers with this ground meat because it's 6 pounds. So I'm gonna make a couple of burgers for the boys in the fridge to eat, and then I'm gonna ground up the rest of it. I haven't gotten gloves yet. A lot of you guys suggested gloves when I said I forgot to, or I don't like touching meat, but I'm gonna use baggies today. So baggies. I'm just kind of going with it. So I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper on these. And of course, you know, we always like to use our mustard.
Mustard.
Now I'm grounding up meat, but I already have 2 meals, both with 2 cheeseburgers each in there, so they can just pop that in the microwave, warm it up, and put a bun with it. So this is done. Now I'm gonna make some chili mac.
Chili mac. Chili mac. Chili mac.
Just pop it in there, and then you can just like stack it up in the. That's what I do. I just put meals in each one, and then just stack them up, and they can just pick what they want. Meat is browned. I'm just gonna put in some of this Taco Bell seasoning because we're gonna use the meat in the chili mac, which it tastes good with like the Taco Bell seasoning, and then I'm sure the boys will use it for like nachos and tacos and stuff throughout the week, so it's perfect. And I did see y'all's comments about not cooking with a stainless steel spatula, but I haven't had time to buy another one yet, so we're still cooking with it until I get around to that. Just gonna let this kind of simmer for a few minutes to get all the flavor in there, and then I'll add it to the chili mac.
Chili mac.
I'm opening my tomato sauce, 2 cans to put in, and I have an electric opener, but I just love this one, so this is the one I always use.
Yep.
I don't know why, I just prefer to do it by hand.
Yep.
So I'm opening these, another one. And the way we make chili mac, the way the boys like it,
chili mac.
It's basically just tomato sauce, noodles, and meat. And they don't even like a lot of meat. They don't want too much meat in that. Oh, and cheese, also cheese. My noodles. I'm gonna
cheese, go.
Adding the tomato sauce while the meat finishes up. I personally like it with a lot of extra meat, but what I usually do is just have meat on the side so that let's stir that up and see how it looks.
Wow, you look good. You look really good. 10 of 10.
Ready to go.
10 of 10.
I was making this for like a sit-down dinner meal. I would put it in a casserole dish, put cheese all over the top and bake it, but since I'm just putting it into little containers for the boys to eat, there's really no point and doing that. So I'm just gonna dish it into containers so that it's ready for them whenever they want to eat it. So
Yeah.
I put these in these little circle things, put a lid on it, stack them in there. As you can see, I made multiple. I made 4, and then Jack's eating a big bowl of it right now. I'll show you. This is Jack's favorite meal. This is his request every week for me to make for the fridge meals, so he loves it. So just like that, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meals, and then a bunch of ground meat to use for other stuff this week. Now I'm gonna make ribs for dinner tonight.
Ribs.
These are the ones I'm using. And yeah, so I'm gonna put them in the crock pot because that just makes it easier.
And then what's for ribs?
Right before we eat them, I'll throw them in the air fryer to kind of get them crispy on the outside. I've already got the first batch of ribs in here. I just cut this open, obviously, and then I cut it into 3 sections just so it fits in the crock pot. And so now I'm gonna do the second batch.
And then what's for ribs?
Actually, I think before I put the second batch in here, I'm gonna go ahead and season this batch. You can season with whatever you want, but I'm just gonna use some of this Montreal steak seasoning, a little bit of mustard, of course, and some barbecue sauce. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there.
Sprinkle.
Surprisingly, touching ribs doesn't gross me out as much as like regular meat does. But.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, so I got that, and I'm gonna put I don't put a ton of mustard on these, just a little, because.
Just a little. Just a little mustard.
See if it wants to come out. There we go. Spread that out on there. And on the bottom one. And then lots of barbecue sauce. Because you can't have enough barbecue sauce. I should have taken the lid off the barbecue sauce before I got my hands all gross, but it's fine. Are you gonna weed eat in that? You look cute. Jack? Jack's about to go out and weed eat. He just came downstairs. He's dressed all fancy. Fancy. Oh, my hands are cold. I don't like that. I don't like my hands being cold. Okay. Alright, it's all covered in sauce. Very saucy. Now I'm going to wash my hands
Really saucy.
before I cut up the other one and put them in. Alright. Now I've got all 3. Put this one in. I'm going to season it up. Luckily I've got my trusty crock pot liner in here, so cleanup will be easy. Alright, you're all ready to go. And part of me, I'm debating, part of me's thinking maybe I'm going to wait and cook them tomorrow. I don't know, and cook something else for dinner tonight. But either way, they're already ready to go. So if I want to cook them tomorrow, I'm just going to put the lid on it and put them in the fridge till tomorrow. So, I don't know. Stay tuned for what I decide. Weed eating before he goes to work. Let's see how he's going to decide to weed eat over all those balls. He's probably just going to go around them lazy. Hopefully not. Let's see. See what he does. I'm hosing off Trevor's shoes. He wore these to mow last week. Trevor has to mow today too, and he said he's going to wait till this evening when it's not so darn hot. Trevor? Yeah. I'm going to go play some basketball? Yeah. Okay. Swimming after mowing. Okay, I need you to take all this right here to the recycle for me, please. Very funny.
Really funny.
I got schoolwork to do, bro.
Yeah, and hurry, because you got to get your schoolwork done.
Leave in 20 minutes.
Yeah, you waste so much time. You don't need to be petting Lucy right now. Take the recycle out and then get started on your schoolwork. Oh yeah, Lucy's so short on love.
She's love riddled.
She's love riddled. Trevor has a friend over and they're playing basketball, and Lucy, she's not having it. Just growling away. Jack left to go to work, and then he's got a party to go to tonight, like a birthday party. And so he won't be home. Actually, I think he's going to go, he has to work again tomorrow, so I think he's going to go straight from the party back to work. So I won't see him until tomorrow, which kind of stinks, but anyway. Yeah, I'm about to go to Lowe's. Get some oil for the mower so that Trevor can mow, and then Drew's got a basketball game tonight, so we're pretty exciting today. Hello, Lucy. Hello. Get out of my backyard. Get out. Get out of my backyard.
Lucy.
Yeah. Boys are swimming. I'm gonna clean the pool. Backwash the pool because it needs it. Alright, it is backwashing. Getting all cleaned out.
Wow.
Gonna let that run for 1 minute and then switch it back to normal mode and put some DE in it. Finally showered today. And I've got my little LED going. So I'll do this for 8 minutes and then I'm gonna go get ready for the day. It's like 5 o'clock, but I've just been doing laundry and cooking and picking up and doing stuff around the house. So I haven't had time yet to get ready, but now's the time. I decided to take Lucy with me to Lowe's, so let's see how she does. She's excited. Excited! She can't believe it. Alright, we made it. We made it. Someone is just so happy. She's like, I finally got to go somewhere with Mama. We're looking for motor oil for the mower, so I have no clue where I'm going or what I'm looking for, but hopefully we'll be able to find it. Got our oil. I feel like, I'm done, but I feel like Lucy wants to keep looking around because she's so excited, so we'll walk around a little bit. See what all we can find in here. Some nice little shelves. Some hangers, closet stuff. Oh, this is fun.
Close yourself.
Closet organization. I don't even know what any of this stuff is for. Oh, it's like doorknobs and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we've had enough, Lucy. Just taking it all in. Everybody's smiling at us because they think she's so cute. She's a dog and she wants to bark at it. This is why I can't take her places. Lucy. She did pretty
Lucy.
good. She did have that one little growling incident. But everybody thought she was the cutest thing ever and she got lots of attention, so that's good. And she already knew she was the cutest thing ever, but still nice to be told, right, Lucy? Yeah. So, you're going to eat with your friends? Yeah. And then going to Drew's game? Okay, I can probably pick y'all up for Drew's game, but I'll text you. Because maybe we'll just take 2 cars. And I can grab y'all on the way. Yeah. Okay? Just text me. Yeah, I'll text you. Okay, have fun. Be careful.
Yeah, Chipotle.
Yeah, be really careful, yeah.
Okay.
Chipotle.
I forgot to show, I ended up making Frito pie for dinner. I decided to save the ribs for tomorrow because I want to make fried okra with them, and since Drew has a game tonight, it would have been too tricky, but I made
Frito
the
pie
in these little containers that I, make stuff for the boys in, and that way I could just throw them in the air fryer oven and bake them, but it's
Frito
just
pie.
Fritos,
Frito pie.
some of the taco meat I made today, and then cheese and tomato sauce. So it's
Because she's good.
and it's a fan favorite for sure.
We are heading to Drew's. Oh, look at y'all all sitting in the back. It's like a perfect frame. We're heading to Drew's basketball game. Yay. Yay.
Three. Oh, I thought you said you never had seen a person win it.
Those, the top middle ones are new. So clean. Kobe Venus Beaches. No.
Trevor.
Trouble.
Dad joke.
Well, he's always been taller, but he's like a
Good job.
Whoa! Nice!
Go.
Good pass, Drew.
He's good with his left, so go ahead and force him to the left. That's fine. Yeah, Chris! Woo!
Woo!
Good job, Chris.
Good job.
Kept it off.
21-18. 27-21.
Go, Drew!
Good job.
We're home team still, obviously.
They played hard, though.
Yeah.
Pretty sure this team beat us by 50 last year or something like that, so we stayed close.
Thanks for
Yeah.
watching today. There's
It
probably
was
too much
a
cooking
close
in
game,
there.
yeah.
I probably got bored, but that's what we did today. So I filmed it. Y'all have a wonderful day and have a great weekend, and we'll be back tomorrow. Okay, bye.
That was Free Up the Face Friday 6/14 by Stacey Murray Dennis. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check it out. So drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one, and subscribe if you want to, and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload. And what? Bye.